So every winter after the house settles, because our basement is on the rock foundation, it's basically Canada. And this post right here that supports everything was put on wood and it's been compressing. So it's making the floors a little bit bouncy. What I'm going to do is put a cinder block under here, right here, and I'm going to put this jack post back in. So like any good homesteader would have, like a little lumber store, you know, so you go to your pick up what you need and get your job done. You got to be very inventive, you got to be creative, you got to be like a problem solver every single day. And that is, I think, one of the coolest things you could do in your life is solve problems all day long, when those problems are essentially your own problems. They're not anybody else's. So they're good problems to have. So here's my pile of oh my god, these are heavier than I thought. I should have brought the ATV. God damn, I should bring the ATV. This is crazy. Let's go get the bike. Problem solving, right? That's what we're doing. Whew, it's a little rough this morning. Probably the shitty gas we've been buying these days. Let's put this thing on the bike. Yeah. I try to do things with one hand these days because I'm so good with both hands. Let's go. One thing I've got to do is I got to put something in here so that we can put our pole in. Let's see if we can get a piece of steel cut. And it fits, I just got to trim it. So we got our piece of metal cut up. Just slide into there. Boom! So now we got our footing in. We just got to take this off. Hopefully we'll be able to get some threads. Oh no. So You want to get it as straight as you can. That's the way. There we go. You don't want to crank it too much because what'll happen is it'll crack all the tiles and stuff upstairs. So we'll just crank it, come back down, crank it up again. That's it.